Hi guys, welcome back for this in this lesson, and I think we have seen till creating a good headline after completing profile and cover. We have gone through headline, and now we have gone to the come to the about section. The about section is very much important stuff because this is the heart of the profile, and a lot of people are going to check on this thing before contacting you or having discussions with you. So you should have a solid about us about profile. Like it is just like if you are having a website, the importance that you give to the about us page, the delivery that you try to give it to your customers or anyone visiting the about us page, the same way this is in the LinkedIn profile. This about section, you have to take care of it. And basically this about section could be like, the first half of it can be a professional kind of a thing. This is my professional kind of a stuff. And after that you can go to the personal kind of a stuff, what you love, how you what you like to do. And you can just after that you can show them what is in it for them, what is in it for them, why you are important for them. So you have to list that as well. So now let's summarize again. It's like you have to have three parts or four if you want. The first one should be a professional thing, because LinkedIn is a professional thing. Definitely people are going to expect a professional about section of yours. So you give a couple of 5 to 5 lines, I guess. You have got only 2000 characters for your summary, so you have to be pretty much precise on how you use that stuff. So for your summary or about which you are doing it over here, you have to have couple of lines for professional stuff, couple of lines for personal stuff, couple of lines for what is in it for them, whoever are viewing. In the sense, if your profile is there, that's me, right? So if I'm viewing your profile, what is in it for me? Definitely human beings are like that. They would definitely expect something when they are spending their time, right? The people are very much busy in this age. So you should just catch up with them, saying that what is in it for them. And finally you can have a contact or discussion, some kind of a discussion stuff where they can connect with you, contact with you, the phone number, your website, your Instagram, or anywhere. So this is what the four stuff. One is professional, one is personal, one is what is in it for them, and one is a contact. So you should have to frame it like that. So if you can just read it through my prof about by pausing your video, because I don't want to elongate the video so much. So you can just read it from here, and you can just keep reading this stuff. And I'm going to scroll now. So you can just have a look on how I have devised my about, and you can just use this as your template as well to frame yours as well. You can just use this stuff because this is very much important, and I got a lot of opportunities by this last stuff. And I hope you read it by pausing all this. And if you want, I will leave my summary in the description below as well, so that you don't get any problem or you face any problem about someone. So I'm going to put in the summary in the description, my summary about in the description, so that you can have it. And one of the most important thing like that, I told in the headline as well, this emojis. The same way here, emojis play a very important role, because your content should be engaging. If your content is not engaging and pictorial enough, if people are not getting the interest to go through this, then it's not, if they are not getting delighted, then you are in a danger zone, and you should try to improve that. So this is what the points that I made, and all this stuff. And I told that if you I just love stuff that I learn from my experience, so I narrate my stuff in the podcast. Sometimes I get on guests as podcast experience, a never before experience of learning in a couple of minutes a day. And I when if they reach to this bottom of this page reading all my profile, I'm going to gift them, right? It sorts of creates a promising nature of mine. It shows how promising I am, how caring I am of people, whoever are reading my profile. right? So I just tell them, here's a gift for you, this is my startup podcast, and hoping to collaborate with you, and connect with me on LinkedIn. Cheers, the first step is done. So it should be like a story kind of a thing, so that people, whenever they see you, right, you should look professional, you should look attractive, you should look impressive. Your profile is very much important in this digital world. It's said that you have two personalities. One is physical personality in your physical life, and the second one is social personality. So it's very much important to have the social personality, because these days opportunities are coming from around the globe, and you can't expect it just to come from your surroundings. um, with the digital, you have to get digital. And I think the tips that I've given on writing your about would definitely help. And along with this text, you can also add some media over here. You can showcase your content, videos, intro videos, like elevator pitch if you're a startup, or any certifications, or introduction video of yours, 1 minute or 2 minutes introduction video. All this you can add by clicking this pencil tool, and you can add the summary over here. If you can upload something by clicking over here, you can upload some documents. If you want to upload your resume, you can do it. If you have some projects, if you are a UI UX developer, you can put it over here. Or if you are a web developer and if you have hosted your projects, you can just click the link and you can add the link, and it will get over here. And this is a PDF, this is all JPEG, and this is the links that I put. So pretty much you can showcase all the stuff over here. You can pretty much showcase the videos as well, or audio files. So just go ahead, write this stuff, take some time, take a couple of minutes or like 20 minutes to understand and frame these paragraphs in a professional, personal, and after that, what is it for them, and then contact. You can use my format for this stuff, and you can just read through my about us, about section, and you can just try to frame yours. And I definitely think pretty much it is. And I want you all to get ready by adding this stuff to the about us. If you don't want to add this much stuff, add 3 or 4 lines for every category: professional, personal, what is it for them, and contact. And just get started, and you can keep revising it after that time, after every intervals of time. So I want you to put all this stuff. If you have certifications, put it. If you have some videos recorded, you can put it. If you, or else you can create an intro video of 1 or 2 minutes, which I would be helping you out to create in further videos, and how to increase your personal branding, and how to create your personal brand, how to establish your reputation on the digital world, and all those stuff. If you have some resume, you can attach it over here. If you have a video of yours, you can attach it, some course certifications or any stuff, or a link for your own personal website. This is all for this part. This is video lesson, and I hope you have uh, grasped a lot of stuff, and definitely try implementing it. And see you in the next video.